Welcome to Minutes Mastery series from 3T. Today we shall understand the IKEA Effect and its utility for all of us. Have you ever noticed that you feel more attached to something just because you've put in effort into building it? It's called the IKEA Effect, named after the famous furniture brand. Research shows that people value things more when they've put in effort into creating them, even if the end product isn't perfect. In a study, participants were willing to pay 63% more for items they built themselves compared to identical pre-assembled ones. This isn't just about furniture, it happens in our work and personal lives too. For professionals, this means the more you involve the team in the projects and decision making, the more they'll feel invested in the outcome. By letting employees take ownership of tasks, they'll value the results more. And this leads to greater job satisfaction and higher productivity. So, more involvement is essential. It is how human psychology works. Doesn't it remind you of teachers in school who motivated us to build models or collage for science or arts exhibition? Now you can relate why your mother is invested in baking a cake herself for your birthday or anniversary rather than ordering it from the best bakery. It's the IKEA effect in action. The effort you invest makes the outcome feel more meaningful. What we create we love, and what we love we protect. Don't you agree? So next time you take on a challenge, remember, putting in effort yourself creates value. That's your Minutes Mastery for today. Stay tuned for such interesting insights.